Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Band 8. First, ensure your new band is fully charged, which usually takes about 45 minutes. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's app store. Open the app and follow the simple instructions to pair your band using Bluetooth. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to explore all its amazing features in just a few moments. Navigating your Huawei Band 8 is super intuitive. Swipe down from the watch face to see your notifications, or swipe up for quick settings like Do Not Disturb. Swiping left or right lets you cycle through various widgets, showing your heart rate, activity, and more. A quick press of the side button brings up the full app list, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Your Huawei Band 8 is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your well-being 24 hours a day. You can track over 100 different workout modes, from running to swimming, with precise data. Plus, it offers detailed sleep analysis, helping you understand and improve your rest. Set your daily activity goals and stay motivated to achieve them. Make your Huawei Band 8 truly yours by customizing it. Choose from hundreds of watch faces directly on the band or through the Huawei Health app to match your style. Adjust which app notifications you receive right on your wrist, keeping you connected without distraction. Don't forget to regularly update your band's firmware to enjoy the latest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.